Hi guys, in front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16 and let me show you how to boot developer options. First of all, open the settings, then go to About Tablet and locate Build Number. Once you see it, you have to tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, after that, you are a developer. Let me just go back from apps. So once you are a developer, just go to System and Developer Options appeared here. Click to open. Now you can use them however you like. Just like this. And once you want to turn them off, just unmark top indicator. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.